What is going on, guys? Welcome back to Kobe Sneaks. Today we are looking at the brand new Yeezy 380 in the Alien colorway. Here we go. Now, before we get into the review, I do want to mention that this, yes, my very first capsule is launching this Friday on Black Friday, November the 29th, I believe, on KobeSneaks.com. Website will be right here. And because it is the launch day and it coincides with Black Friday, I wanted to give all of you a special 20% off coupon for 2020 coming up that you can use if you sign up for the newsletter on my website. When you go to the website, you'll automatically see a pop-up where you can enter your email there, and then you will automatically get that 20% off discount code, so do not miss out. The sale will only run from Friday until Monday, Cyber Monday at midnight. So, are these the 350 version 3? Are they the 380? A while back, these were rumored to just be the 350 version 3, the third iteration of the infamous 350 sneaker. But then, about a month before the release, Yeezy Supply and Kanye, they officially announced that they were going to have actual 380 model shoe dedicated to this silhouette, which I actually agree with. I think it is different enough from the 350 silhouette to be considered its own shoe. Now, these dropped on Yeezy Supply on November the 16th, 2019 for a price of $230 US. Now, when they dropped on Yeezy Supply, a lot of people thought, are they going to be shipped with sample tags? Are these still sample shoes? Is this an actual release? What's happening here? So anyways, I got lucky and actually managed to get a pair in size 11. I was up for almost 4 hours trying to get them, but I did get at least one pair. And as I'll show you throughout this video, these are a retail release pair, meaning that they did come with the 380 branding and retail tags and not sample tags. I believe there was actually a pair for sale at Stadium Goods in New York for over $3,800 that were also a size 11, but they had the sample tags and a box that said 350 V3. That is a lot more rare. Nonetheless, on the box here, we do have the 380 branding on top, very reminiscent of other Yeezy brown boxes like the 350, the 700, the whatever else. On the side, we do have the style tag that denotes that this is the Yeezy Boost 380 in a size US 11. The official style code for these shoes is FV3260, and the official colorway is Alien, Alien, Alien. Alright, let's open the box and see what these look like. Alright, and here is the shoe. Right off the bat, you do see some of the similarities between this shoe and the 350 silhouette, but you also immediately see the differences. Covering the entire top of the shoe, we do have this prime knit material, very similar to the 350 version 2 and version 1 for that matter, and it is done in this kind of white and gray, cloud, staticky, digital camo, alien looking pattern to it that is pretty much symmetrical on both sides of the shoe. That prime knit is met down the middle of the toe box all the way to where the laces and the tongue would be on the shoe, with a seamless stitch along a white border. On the medial side of the shoe, we do have this kind of gray stripe with multiple holes in it, which I think serve no purpose at all, but nonetheless, those holes are also used as lace holes on the shoe, but not all of them, as you can see. On the lateral side of the shoe, we have a more prominent stripe that is done in a clear translucent prime knit, again, with those random holes throughout. The only part of this prime knit upper that is a solid color is around the collar of the shoe, which is a lighter gray finish. And then, like every other Yeezy 350, these also include the rope style lace done in a white or kind of just slightly off-white color. The midsole of these shoes is actually my favorite part about these shoes. It is quite a bit chunkier looking than the 350 and has a bit of a different shape than the 350. It goes a bit up on the back, whereas the 350 stays flat throughout. And it is done in this glow-in-the-dark green color, but you can kind of see it has this bit of a paint splatter effect with some lighter white color intermixed in that glow-in-the-dark green. The rubber on the midsole also translates down to the outsole, which is done in this matching glow-in-the-dark rubber with some random boost sole technology kind of peeking through at random points. It's a bit less of a pattern than the 350 had on the bottom of its shoe. Now, my personal opinion on these shoes, I personally think they are absolutely atrocious. I would never wear these shoes. It's just not my style, but I do like the fact that Kanye is kind of pushing the boundaries past the 350 phase of things and past the older iterations of things and moving forward into a new era, very similar to how Tesla just announced their Cybertruck. This is a step forward for Kanye in the shoe game. One thing we can all agree on is that there's nothing really on the market right now that looks like it, which to the common consumer is a very uncomfortable thought, but to Kanye, it's something that has to happen in the marketplace in order to push things forward into a new direction. Now, whether or not this sticks with the public eye, or whether or not everyone ends up hating the design and they kind of scrap it and move past it, that will come with time, but for now, I am glad to see that Kanye is pushing the boundaries with these shoes. And that is pretty much it, guys. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and do not forget to subscribe, and don't forget, go to my website, kobesneaks.com. Link will be right here to see that 20%, to sign up for your 20% discount code, only valid from Friday to Monday, Cyber Monday at midnight. Friday at 12 a.m. to Monday at midnight, and all of the first capsule drops will go live at 12 a.m. on Friday, Black Friday. But until then, I will catch you guys in the next video. Peace.